Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be the first part of our November assignment. And for this assignment, we will be learning how to use Google Drive to make documents, PowerPoint presentations, and spreadsheets. So I'm assuming by now all of you have a Gmail account. We're on my Gmail account, as you can tell. And we have lots of options up here. Let's go to Google Drive and click on Google Drive. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a document. If we wanted to do a presentation or a spreadsheet or a form or a drawing for that matter, we will click on one of these. But let's say we want to create a document. So we just create a document. Let's call this document how to make a Google document. Okay. And let's center line this, and we'll call this elements for our November assignment. If I want to change the color, I go there. If I want to bold it, I go there. If I want to italicize it, if I go there. If I want to underline it, I go there. If I want to increase the size of it, I go there. If I want to change the font, I go there. Okay? So that's pretty simple. By the way, if you want to change the share, you just click on that share rectangle, and we'll change this, and we'll say anyone with the link can view it. But I also, if I wanted students to join me, we'd hit edit. Okay, but this is just for viewing. So any of you can get to this when I give you the link up here. And let's change the alignment. Let's change the color to black. Let's not align things. Let's not underline, italicize, and let's not make it a bolded font. Okay? We can also change the font if we want. We can keep the font. All right, let's identify what some of the skills are. See, number one, which is how to make a Google, to make and share, we'll say, a Google document. How to make and share a Google PowerPoint presentation, also called presentation. And three, how to make and share a spreadsheet. So these are the things that we'll be doing, and you can play around with these other items. I mean, if you wanted to insert an image or a drawing, you can just do that as we had shared before. Here's another way of changing the font. Here, spell check, word counting. If you want to insert a table, you do it this way. Maybe I should show that for you. I had insert a table. Let's insert a table for you. Table, insert a table. Let's say I wanted to have a table that's 3 by 4. You just go like that, and then you just write like name, phone number, email address. So you could just play with that. It's kind of fun to play with. Here's a place to get help. This is a way whether you want to show the ruler or not. And here's editing. If you want to download this, by the way, is Microsoft Word. You just click here and you download it onto your computer. Okay, you can publish this. You could invite collaborators to work with you. If you want to print it, you have this. Okay, so let's get to now how to go and make a PowerPoint. Okay, once again, you get to Gmail, you go to Drive. This time we want to create a presentation, a PowerPoint presentation, right? Now you remember this from what we did last time. You could take any kind of theme. Let's say we take the wave theme this time, all right? So that's how it looks. And here's your layout. You have lots of choices: title slide, title and body, title in 2 columns. We'll just accept what the click and add title. So let's call this sample or demonstration on how to make a presentation or a PowerPoint presentation using Google Drive. Okay, so let's give it a title, sample presentation on Google Drive. Let's change the alignment. So we put it in the middle. Yep. And here we can insert a picture if we want. So we got to insert. You find an image on your computer. We'll just take any image that's on my computer. All right. Let's go here and arbitrarily select an image. There's a flag of Israel. Okay. And here now is an image if we want. Okay. Bring this down here. And that's how it looks. Okay. Now, with this, you can do all kinds of things. You can download this as a PowerPoint or a PDF or an image file or plain text. You can edit this in a variety of different ways. You can view this and zoom it in and zoom it out. So if you want to zoom it in, it goes like that, right? If you want to zoom it out, you go like this. We told you that you can insert all kinds of things. You can even put a video in it if you wanted. I'm just find a video that might be on your computer. If you want to create a new slide, or duplicate the slide, or delete the slide, let's create a new slide. And that's how you create a new slide. All right, and then you can change the layout if you wish. All right, so if you want the layout to look like this, okay, you can just write whatever you want to put inside. Let's go here and say new slide. Again, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. Just highlight it and choose the color. And you also can embed links into this. So if you wanted to find a link that you would like, let's stop this for a moment and I'll find the link and then I'll be right back. Let's say I wanted to share the link of my blog, right? So I copy it, copy the URL, copy the address, and now I highlight the new slide and I put the link in, paste it in, and when you click on this, look, you click on this, you get to my blog post. Okay? It'll take a moment, but eventually it will take you to my blog. See, there it is on my blog for today. So we know about inserting things, about slides. We can change the format. We can change the arrangement. We can just play with this, folks. You can change the background if you want. Just click background. And you can change the color. You can change the image. Just play with this and have fun with it. And that's how you do make a presentation. Now the final thing we want to do is demonstrate how to make a spreadsheet. I'm going to show you a different way of doing this. See where it says File and New? We demonstrated how to do a document, how to do a presentation. Let's show how to do a spreadsheet. Okay, give the spreadsheet a name. Let's call this contact information. Contact information form for Web Tools of the Month group. CoP, a community of practice, which is the online staff development program. Oh, by the way, I forgot to indicate that if you want to, you have to change the sharing preferences. In this case, with this, I not only want everyone with the link to get to it, but I want everyone to also be able to edit it and write on it. Okay? So now everyone has the right to not only see but edit it. So we're going to write down name, we'll say original email address, then we'll say Gmail address for this course, and then we'll write down home phone, cell phone, work phone, we'll write down position, institution. Now, if you want all of this information to be bold-faced, right, or you want it to have a different font size, just do that. Okay, and all the same things. You can change the color, etc. Now I'm going to fill this thing out for myself right now. Richard D. Solomon, PhD. My original email address was rds@umd.edu. My Gmail address for this course is rdsolomon, phd@gmail.com. I'm not going to indicate my home phone, my cell phone, or work phone because this is going to be on YouTube. And my position is Executive Director, Jewish-education.org. A couple of interesting things that you can do is if you want to have comments, you can actually write comments. So let me show you how this thing would work. You just highlight this, you hit comments, and you click on here, and you can write a comment. Let's see, I'll write, please complete this form. Okay? So what that means is when you hover over this, right? You hover over this, you see what's written. And that's how you complete this. Let me get back to the sample one over here and change the preferences from private to anyone with the link can view it. And that, my friends, is our demonstration on how to create a document, how to create a PowerPoint presentation, and how to create a spreadsheet through using Google Drive, which is a part of Gmail. Thank you so much.